What's up guys? Today we're back with the 2019 Mazda Cx-5 to talk about replacing the front wiper blade inserts. Now for the fronts, I highly recommend you guys go with the rubber inserts, not replacing the whole blade. You can get these direct from Mazda, link will be in the description below. You can see these blades look nice and sleek and they're still in great condition after almost 5 years, so no need to replace the whole blade. We just need to replace the rubber on the bottom. We'll also save a few bucks doing that, and unlike the back, replacing the front wiper blades is super easy. 1 out of 5 on the 4-noob scale, so let's get right into it. Okay, so all we have to do is lift straight up on this wiper blade, and then it's super easy. So you can see this rubber part has a little bit of play, so we can just squeeze down a little bit, and once we go down about 1/2 inch or maybe 2 centimeters, we can now pull down and get that rubber out of the groove. Then we can just pull the old blade straight out. Alright, so here's our new blade, and we're just going to want to slide it in right there. Just like that. Make sure both sides are in. Slide it down, and then at the end we're just going to need to push that down. Then slide it up, and that blade is in. And that's it. Super easy. Our driver's side is going to be exactly the same. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.